Remember how my PC got destroyed? Yeah. I think so. I actually know quite a few people that have had destroyed PCs, a couple of which were from ex-girlfriends. Not kidding. Okay, well, after fighting back and forth with USPS, I'm assuming, right? No, it's not that guy. They were only willing to give me a 3070 Ti instead of my 6700 XT, and it was FedExed. It was FedEx. Okay. Oh, it was FedEx. Okay, gotcha. Well, I mean, 6700 XT isn't terrible compared to the 3070 Ti. Yeah, you do lose. Well, no, you don't. You actually gain VRAM. 3070 Ti is 8 gigs, and the 6700 XT is 12. So you actually gained 4 gigs of VRAM. Oh, and instead of your 70... Okay, sorry. I had it reversed in my head. Sorry. I got you.